Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to create Temu seller account and make money. Well, as we all know, the Temu has been growing rapidly since its launch in 2022 and has become one of the most popular online marketplaces, especially in the United States. So it's a online marketplace that provides sellers with the opportunity to earn a profit by selling various products. So as you can see here, this marketplace includes products from a wide variety of categories, from clothing to household supplies to industrial and commercial products. So if you want to create a seller account on Temu, or if you want to start selling on Temu, there are two ways to enter this marketplace. So you can either join as a verified seller on Temu, and the second one is to sign up on parent company, which is the Pinduoduo. So let's get started on the first method and how you can create a seller account on Temu. So all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and just click on this sell on Temu. So once you click this option, you will go to the next page here. As you can see, sell on Temu. So here, as you can see, they are still looking for more sellers and some logistic partners to promote this Temu online store. And as you can see, you just need to read this code of conduct so you can find some prohibited products or some restricted products that you can't sell on this Temu. And here at the bottom, you'll find join Temu today and start selling on Temu. And here, as you can see, for sellers, well, all you need to do here is to send an email to this email address, which is the seller at temu.com. So if you want to send an email, you need to put some information about your personal business or company, or you can just put your product information, your product details, and also your logistic partners or some documents actually that about your intention to be a seller on this Temu. So if you have a question about your intention to be a seller on Temu or have some issues or problems using this Temu app, as you can see, you can go to support and just click on this support center. So from here, you can actually ask the support team to give you some instructions or answer your concerns or problems using this Temu. You can also go to live chat actually, and from here you can talk to some customer support to help you about your intention to be a seller on Temu. Or here at the bottom, you can actually go to contact us. So if you click this one, you will go to this page and you can go to need help. As you can see here, if we click on this contact us, you have the opportunity to talk with the support team and you can tell your concern or feedback this Temu. Now, the second way on how you can create a seller account on Temu is to sign up on Pinduoduo website. So as we all know, the Pinduoduo is a partner or the parent company of the Temu. So you can actually go to this website, pinduoduo.com, if it's available on your country. So all you need to do is sign up your account here. So if you have an account on Pinduoduo, it's just easily to create a seller account on Temu. So yeah, you can try to create an account with the Temu. You can send an email on Temu, or you can sign up with Pinduoduo and you can start selling your product on Temu. Now let's talk about on how you can make money on Temu. Well, if you go back to the Temu homepage, as you can see here, and if we scroll down to the bottom, you'll find this affiliate and influencer. So you just have to click this option here. But if you don't see this option, maybe the problem is your address. So make sure that you set your address correctly, or you can go to US or United States and it will show up this affiliates and influencer right here at the bottom. So just go back to this option here. So click this one. And then you will go here on this page. As you can see, unlock more ways to earn benefits on Temu. You have two ways here. as affiliate program or in influencer program. So here on affiliate program, as you can see, you can earn up to $100,000 a month. So as you can see, millions in commission, anyone can join, easy to earn and trusted brand. And if we scroll down, you'll find the benefits you can get on affiliate program. As you can see, $2 million commission, attract users to Temu and earn up to 20% commission and $5 refer bonus. Now here, as you can see on the right side, you'll find $5 bonus. Get $5 for every new user who downloads the Temu app via your qualifying code. And the third one is 20% commission. So earn commissions when a new user places an order to Temu via the qualifying code to purchase an item or service offered on Temu. And here, as you can see, your referrals get 50% off or $100 coupon bonds and 50% off via your link code as their first download gift. So that's what you get if you go here on affiliate program. So let's go to the influencer program. So just go back to the top of the page. So as you can see, influencer program, monetize your content, get free products. So just you want to click this influencer program here to see more ways on how you can earn benefits on Temu. As you can see here, become a Temu influencer. So as you can see, earn up to $300 of free products, and you can earn up to affiliate cash of $100,000 a month. And if we actually scroll down, you can see a bunch of benefits here. For example, $1,000 balance bi-monthly by sharing your content, $300 balance when your account is approved, and $100,000 affiliate cash per month, and up to $20 balance per reference. And you can also earn money from your mobile application when you download this Temu for free on Google Play Store. So how can we earn money with this mobile app? So as you can see here, just open your Temu app and then go here on You at the bottom to go to your profile. So here you just go on settings and go to country and region. So select your country and region, but for the sample, just want to tap on United States, then go to earn credits and free gifts. So here you have many options to earn credits or earn cash on your Temu app. As you can see, 5 free gifts, hat trick gifts, redeem cash, Fishland, and Lucky Flip. So for example, we'll try to pick one of these gifts or rewards from this Temu app. For example, want to go here on redeem cash. So from here, as you can see, you can earn your money and receive on your PayPal account with this reward. So as you can see, you can actually refer friends and share it, and then play this spin a wheel here, and you can have a reward. So if you go back and try another game here or another way on how you can earn a reward. So for example, on free gifts. So as you can see, you can get more rewards as long as you share this Temu app to your friends and they sign up with this Temu app and then buy something or buy products in this Temu application, and then you can automatically receive and earn money from this Temu application. So yeah, that's how you basically create accounts on Temu and how you can make money. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.